The following is a brief explanation of what you need to do in order to maintain your Blackboard classes. Once logged into Blackboard, you need to click on the Classes tab. In this area you will see a class catalogue, and you will also see the classes in which you are enrolled. This list here can be quite extensive. You may find that you've got quite a few classes there, and you do need to ensure that each of them is maintained. You'll notice in this particular example that it says unavailable. That means that the students are unable to see it, and part of the process that you need to undertake now will ensure that this course becomes available to students and therefore visible. The maintenance process that you now need to follow is to open each class. So I'm going to demonstrate this through this class here. So I'm going to open this class, and then once in this class I'm going to go down to the users and groups area. I'm then going to click users, and then what I'm given here is a list of every individual, including teachers and students, who are enrolled in this group. I need to remove all students who no longer undertake this course. If I don't do that, this course will appear to them even though they're no longer doing it. Not a good look for the student or for parents who log in. So please ensure you remove them. You do that by selecting those that you need to remove. You select and then you click remove users from class. Obviously I'm not going to do that here. Just be aware that you can't remove teachers. You need to talk to a system administrator about that. You can only remove students. Once you have the enrollment details correct, you can then leave the user and groups area and go to customization. Within customization you need to select properties. In this properties area you need to do three things. The first is to ensure that the class name contains the timetable code that is on each student's timetable and on yours as well. This is a demonstration class, and I'm just going to make a code up, and I'm going to call it DCL1A. But please remember that code that you put there is the code that is on your timetable. It's necessary for this to occur so that when a student is searching for your class to enroll in, they will be using that code. So therefore that code must be in the class name. Once you've done that, you need to go down to make class available and select yes. And then I would ask you to go to the class category area. And in this class category area, if it has not already been categorized, please ensure that you select a category for it to be included in. In this instance, I'm going to select secondary staff information page. Obviously, if it's a science class, you would select science, or a music class, music, maths class, a maths category. Once that is completed, select submit, and you've now done everything that you need to do. Your course will now be only visible to those who should see it, and it will also be available for students who need to enroll to be able to enroll in it. The next thing that you need to do now is go through and follow that same process for all your other courses. Can I please encourage you to watch this video, pause it at the appropriate places, and follow the instructions as you work through each of your classes. Each class should only take you about 1 to 2 minutes.